this is not just a black SUV. This looks like Tesla turning silence into a weapon. Welcome back to the Expert Drive. Today, we are taking a close look at the 2027 Tesla Model X, finished in solid black with a black interior. From the first angle, this SUV does not look ordinary. It sits low, wide, and dramatic, with a glossy body that turns every reflection into part of the design. The bright LED signatures cut through the dark paint, giving the whole car a futuristic, cinematic presence. If the Model X has always been Tesla's family flagship, this version feels sharper, darker, and more serious. Starting at the rear, the first detail that dominates the view is the full-width red LED light bar. It runs cleanly across the tailgate, connecting the left and right lamps in one thin, powerful line. Above it, the Tesla badge sits neatly on the glossy black surface, while the rear glass and roof spoiler make the upper section look sleek and sporty. The tailgate is smooth, but the shoulders are wide and muscular, giving the car a planted stance. From straight behind, the Model X looks almost like a performance machine dressed as a luxury SUV. Look lower, and the rear design becomes even more aggressive. The bumper features a dark diffuser-style section with strong vertical fins, mesh-like side openings, and sharp lower trim. It gives the back end a technical look, as if the car was shaped by aerodynamics rather than decoration. The wide tires sit close to the corners, and the black wheels blend perfectly with the body. In the three-quarter rear view, you can clearly see the sloping roofline, the tinted glass, the bold rear haunches, and the continuous red light bar glowing across the width. Against the ocean and mountain backdrop, this solid black finish looks deep, reflective, and expensive. From the front, the 2027 Tesla Model X looks cleaner but just as intense. The sealed nose is smooth, with no traditional grille, but it still has a strong face. A white LED light strip stretches across the front and flows into slim, angular headlights, creating a sharp, high-tech stare. The Tesla emblem sits in the center, framed by the light and the sculpted hood. Lower down, the bumper adds drama with dark intake-style elements, layered aero surfaces, and a wide lower opening. The result is a front end that feels minimal but not soft. It is clean, modern, and aggressive. The side profile keeps the futuristic SUV coupe feeling. The roofline sweeps smoothly toward the rear, the windows are dark, and the body sides stay very clean. The large black multi-spoke wheels, wide tires, and bold arches give the car a strong road presence. Even parked on a quiet street, it looks ready to launch forward. The solid black paint also plays a major role here, reflecting the sky, houses, and road like liquid glass. Now let's move inside, because the black interior gives this Model X a completely different mood. The cabin is calm, spacious, and minimal. Up front, the dashboard stretches wide across the cabin, with a large central touchscreen floating in the middle and a separate driver display placed behind the yoke-style steering wheel. That yoke instantly changes the feeling of the cockpit. It feels more like a command center than a normal SUV. The main screen shows navigation and vehicle controls, while the rest of the dashboard stays clean, dark, and uncluttered. One of the biggest highlights is the glass above the cabin. The panoramic windshield and roof create a wide-open view, making the interior feel bright even with the black color theme. The front seats are sculpted and supportive, with smooth black upholstery, visible stitching, and a premium shape. The center console uses a warm wood-style finish, adding contrast to the dark cabin. This mix of black surfaces, wood trim, glass, and digital screens gives the interior a modern luxury feel. The second row looks impressive. Instead of a basic bench, this cabin shows two captain-style seats separated by a center console with cup holders and a wood-finished surface. The seats look wide, comfortable, and deeply cushioned, with strong bolsters and a clean black finish. Along the door panels, thin ambient light strips add a soft glow, making the rear cabin feel like a private lounge. There is also a rear touchscreen mounted behind the front console, giving passengers access to comfort and entertainment controls. What makes this 2027 Tesla Model X stand out is the contrast. Outside, it looks stealthy and aggressive, with sharp lighting, wide shoulders, black wheels, and a performance-style rear diffuser. Inside, it feels calm, refined, and lounge-like, with a focus on technology and passenger comfort. It doesn't need a loud exhaust or a massive grille to make an impression. It uses silence, lighting, proportion, and design precision. So, after seeing the full-width rear light bar, the dramatic black paint, the clean front face, the panoramic cockpit, the yoke-style steering wheel, the central touchscreen, and those premium second-row seats, the 2027 Tesla Model X feels like more than just an electric SUV. It feels like Tesla sharpening its flagship into something darker, smarter, and more cinematic. This is the kind of vehicle that arrives without noise but still takes over the entire scene. And in solid black with a black interior, the 2027 Tesla Model X looks ready to remind everyone that futuristic design can still be bold, emotional, and impossible to ignore.